Hello, good day everyone. My name is Mark Jotham Alche M. Ruiz, and I'm here to recite the 3 cartillas ng Katipunan. And after that, I will select one of these and explain and relate in our current situation. Cartilla number 6. An honorable man's word is in his band. Cartilla 7. Don't waste time. Lost wealth may be recovered, but lost time, lost forever. Cartilla number 8. Defend the oppressed and fight the oppressors. In today's complex world, we experience injustice and inequalities that make a big challenge for the people who are oppressed. Some people are oppressed by the oppressors because of their status of their lives. But despite of that, Cartilla 8 says that defend the oppressed